revolution? Are you just trying to take all my money? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Eve. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the most raved about, most talked about new makeup revolution, fast base foundations. I picked up 4 shades. So I picked up the shade F12, F13, F16 and F18. I picked up 2 shades that I knew were going to be closest to my skin tone, and I knew that would be F18 and F12. And then I picked up 2 darker shades as I wanted to see how dark they go, and also I wanted to use it for my contour. I saw that they were launching the foundations. This was probably back last month, and I remember they were doing like a teaser with putting pictures of models, and I was like, yo, this foundation looks really good. But basically they only launched online. I hate online shopping. I'm more of a person that goes into the shop and buys. So literally I'll go into a shop and buy things that I don't even need. That's just me. I finally decided to go on the website and I picked up 4 shades, and I actually ordered these yesterday. So being online, of course, you don't get to go in the store and try it on yourself, and the way that I picked up my shades is that I saw swatches that were done on their Instagram and their website. So from that I was able to roughly see what shade I was going to be, and also the shades correspond with the concealers. And I did do a review on the concealers, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll definitely leave a link down below. Just a quick read about the foundations. Reading off of the website right now, so they've launched 18 shades, ranges from F1 to F18. Easy to apply stick formula that melts into the skin, blending seamlessly to leave a fresh and dewy finish. Okay. Twist up, swipe on, blend out with fingers or beauty sponge or your favorite foundation brush. So the packaging is really nice. It says Revolution London on there. It's a nice gold color. And you lift off the lid, and then it's a really nice rose gold bronzy color here, and you scroll up the foundation, and this is how much product you get in there. So not a lot of product, but for the price, these are only £5, guys, so I do think it is worth it. So I'm going to do some swatches for you guys of the shades that I picked up. So I'm going to start off with the shade in F12, and I'm going to swatch that right here. So that's F12. The next shade I'm going to be swatching is F18. Look at how creamy these are, guys. They're so creamy and so pigmented. I am like, can't wait to try these on my face. I haven't tried them on yet. The next shade I'm going to swatch is one of the darker shades, which is in F16. And the last shade I'm going to be trying is F18. So I'm going to swatch the 2 shades that are closest to my skin tone, and we're going to see which one would be best. So this is in the shade F12. Okay, this is definitely too light. It does have yellow undertones, but it doesn't have any golden undertones, so it's too light for me. Definitely will look grey. Next, I'm going to swatch the shade in F18. Okay, so this one definitely has golden undertones. But it probably will be a bit too dark for me. So I do think that if I mix the 2 shades together, then I'll probably have a perfect match for me. But the coverage, guys, I'm really impressed, and they really go on, they glide in so creamy that I really think they're going to blend out nicely as well. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm definitely going to mix these 2 shades, and I think I'll have my perfect shade. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a lot more of the F18 on my face, and then I'll probably go in with a few of the F12. Go in and add a few of the F12. Just dot that around. I'm gonna blend it out with my the Body Shop buffing brush. I really like this brush to blend out my foundation. So this is blending out really nicely, guys. I can see why they call it the fast base, because if you're someone who likes to do your makeup, oh, this is a really nice coverage. This is a really nice coverage, guys. Look at that. Wow. So yeah, I can definitely see why this is called fast base. If you're someone who likes to do your makeup really quickly and just like to have things like done there and then, it's definitely something that you can just swipe on, blend out. You can even use your fingers because it really is that creamy, and then you're out the door. Guys, this is blending out so seamlessly. Wow. Makeup revolution, £5. Listen, you guys, yeah, you're just taking all my money. Definitely got to blend down on your neck. We don't want to see no harsh lines. Wow. So far so good, guys. So far so good. Because I already used F12 in the Conceal and Define to conceal under my eyes, I'm going to go in with the F12 foundation. I'm going to use it as my highlighter shade today. So I'm just going to highlight in the areas where I would usually highlight. And because this is really creamy, I'm really excited to like see how it's going to blend out. I'm going to take my Real Technique sponge and I'm just going to blend that out. I can definitely see that even though I'm using a sponge to blend it out, obviously I used the brush before, it's still blending out really smoothly. So what I can say is that even though this definitely looks nice, I do prefer the concealer just to brighten under my eyes. I feel like that has more coverage, whereas this one does have nice coverage, but it doesn't brighten the way I would want it to. I'm going to go in with the shade F16 just to contour. Because this is so creamy, I'm actually really excited to contour with this. So I'm just using my Real Technique sponge to blend out the contour. Okay, so I've highlighted and contoured, and this is the finished result. I'm loving the results. It has a really nice dewy finish. If you have dry skin, this is going to be your best friend because it has a really nice dewy finish. If you have oily skin, maybe not so much of your best friend because it definitely is gonna make you more oily, and you definitely will see a lot more oil probably peek through during the day. I go finish my makeup off camera, set my face, the whole shebang, and then I'm gonna come back and do a full review and my final thoughts for you guys. Okay guys, so I'm back and I finished my face. I set my whole face, I finished my eyes, and I got some highlight and a nude glass. So my final thoughts, I'm really impressed with the coverage. I'm really impressed with the way that it feels on my skin. Definitely is a fast base if you're someone that just like a quick on the go, like, yo, let's put my foundation on, let's go. So the cons, okay, the shades. For me anyway, I do have to mix a lot of my foundations. I find that it's really hard to find one foundation that perfectly matches me. So I do mix a lot of my foundations. If you've watched my videos before, you'd notice that I do mix foundations. So for me, it wasn't a big issue, although, I mean, you definitely can release more shades, with different undertones, but for £5, again, I'm not too mad the fact that I have to buy 2 foundations. Another thing that I definitely have to point out is that you don't get a lot of product in the foundation stick, which again is not such a big con because of the price that you are paying for the amount that you're going to get. So at the moment they are only having it online. You can buy it from tambeauty.com and superdrug.com. I do know that they are launching in stores from the 28th of March, so from then you can definitely go swatch it in the shops. But yeah guys, that's my final thoughts. I am looking snatched. I am so happy with this foundation. The highlight, by the way, is Makeup Revolution as well. What else is Makeup Revolution? The eyeshadow is Makeup Revolution. Listen, Makeup Revolution, yeah, just take all my money. So thank you guys for watching my tutorial / review. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I hope you're gonna also go and try the foundation and let me know what you think of it when you buy it. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any more videos like this, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.